Umarex VFC Glock 18. So kasama niya out of the box is 50 rounds na long magazine. Metal na yung slide, polymer yung frame with complete Glock 18 markings. So license markings yan. And this unit is officially licensed product ng Glock. So may full auto function din siya. Naka U-type sights. May under rail 4 accessory attachment. Test natin. 329, 341 and auto. Daming bala nun ah. So for details, mag-PM lang kayo sa page namin, Mavs Hobby PH.